I am making my super simple 4-ingredient crinkle cookies. Oh my goodness, guys, these are a great Valentine treat. 1 package of strawberry cake mix. 2 eggs. And a 1/2 cup of oil. Recipe is in the description below. It is also in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2. You can see we've got, oh my goodness, I've got like 20, I've got 3 pages of variations on the cake mix cookies. So you can use any flavor of cake mix, any kind you want. We're doing this one for Valentine's Day. All right, getting this all mixed up. My oven is set at 350 degrees. Let's get all cake mix and your eggs and your oil mixed in so there's no dry batter. Then, super easy, all we're gonna do is we're just gonna roll little balls like this, then roll them in powdered sugar and put them on our baking sheet. That's all you do. Okay, now we're gonna throw these in the oven and bake them. I am offering my Valentine on a Dime ebook for free. Go get our Valentine on a Dime ebook. We give you lots of money-saving tips to help you make Valentine's Day frugal and fun. The coupon code and the link is in the description below. Here's how you get it for free. livingonadime.com, click on our shop, click on our ebooks, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Okay, I have strawberry cookies. Yum. Okay, so we're gonna let these cool for just a minute on the cookie sheet, and then we will taste test. Okay, there are the cookies. Yum. I guess, does Jack want to taste test or do you want to wait for Dad? Strawberry cookies. You want to taste test a strawberry cookie? I won't make you be on camera. They're warm. Okay, let's see what, do you want to be on camera or no?
Oh.
You don't have to.
Took a bite.
That's fine.
Oh,
Is it a thumbs up? Strawberry.
Yeah, those are really good.
There you go. Just for Valentine's Day, strawberry cookies. Okay, now they're gone. I got these Rice Krispies on sale for 47 cents after Valentine's Day and Halloween. They had some for Christmas too, but I didn't need any more. First thing you're going to want to do is spray your baking pan so that they come out easily. Now, I'm using a silicone baking pan, but you don't have to. You can just use a regular baking pan. I just happen to have this one. Okay, so we're going to melt our butter in the pan. And when this is melted, we are making chocolate cherry Rice Krispy Treats. We're going to add cherry gelatin. All right, when your butter or margarine is melted, you're going to add cherry jello. And we're going to stir that in. Then we're going to add our marshmallows. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 2, page 291, 25% off right now. The recipe is in the description below. Would you like a marshmallow, honey?
Sure. Happy Valentine's Day to me.
Okay, now we're going to get this all melted. Okay, while that's melting, we're going to get our Rice Krispies, and this is how many cups? 8 cups. Isn't that festive?
Yes. What a coincidence that you got the Valentine's colors.
For Valentine's Day? That's called planning ahead. All right, so my marshmallows are getting melted. Yum. Took it off the heat so it doesn't burn. While my marshmallows continue to finish melting here, just keep stirring. All right, we are almost there. We're almost there. And we have our Rice Krispies. Okay. Now I moved over here so Mike can film easier, and I probably should have gotten a bigger spoon, but I don't believe in dirtying extra dishes. Okay, I'm gonna have to get an extra spoon. Okay, here we go. Yum aroma. All right, now, yes, for everyone asking, I did wash my hands. Now, we're going to take and put this in our pan. Okay, now you can put a little butter on your hands. You can put a little cooking spray on your hands, or you can take a leftover butter or margarine. Now, I just keep these in a little zip top bag in the refrigerator. And then when I need one, I just pull it out or use the one that I used in the recipe. Okay, and get this all nice and smooth. now we're gonna let this cool, then we're gonna cut and put our chocolate on. All right, our Rice Krispies are all set up. Woo, those look good. Now, we are going to cut these. I want these really large because they're going for a bake sale. So,
You weren't kidding.
they gotta be impressive.
6 Rice Krispy Treats. You would usually get like 18 of them out of that pan.
Yeah. Okay, so now I have Easter bunnies. That's milk chocolate that I got on clearance after Easter. So what I'm gonna do is melt this for my chocolate on my Rice Krispy Treats. Okay, I'm gonna need way more chocolate than that. Okay, so these are casualties of Easter, and I got these for $0.25. So 25 cents for how much milk chocolate? For 8 ounces of milk chocolate for 25 cents. That's a pretty darn good deal. There you go, Peter. Rest in pieces. Let's go melt this. Oh, I crack me up. Sometimes I'm the only one I crack up, but I crack me up.
I was gonna make a Wasco-y Wabbit joke. I just couldn't think of the right one. Holy moly, if they're that giant, how much are you gonna sell them for?
Like $5.
Are there only gonna be 6 of them?
Got like, I have all those plus 6 more boxes of Rice Krispies.
But you're only making the video from one batch? I see. So you're gonna be busy.
Okay, you stir your chocolate in between microwaving so that your chocolate doesn't burn on the bottom of your measuring cup. I don't know why the heat all concentrates down there, but it does. Somebody can give me the workings of a microwave description. Okay, make it the short version so I don't have to go through a 15-page comment. Okay, just a tad more. All right, I'm pretty sure, yes. Okay, now just to make these a little bit more uniform, I'm gonna cut off the edges on these ones because I didn't cut it straight down the middle. Okay, it's a little bit better. Oh, guess who gets to eat? Are you
I
sad?
was gonna say, oh darn, there's all those little pieces that have to be eaten.
Okay. Now, here, just make sure it looks nice and pretty. And let's make this one nice and pretty. And we'll make this one nice and pretty. Okay, OCD is taking over. Stop! Okay. There. Now, here comes the fun part. Are you ready? All right, this one got a little too clumpy, so let's just take a fork and okay, that's not working very well.
Do you remember the Which of These Things Doesn't Belong song?
Okay, here we go. Now, this is Mike's testing one. Okay, chocolate.
Mmm.
Chocolate cherry Rice Krispy Treats.
Mm-hmm.
All right, on to the next one. Wow, testing all these isn't really going to help with weight loss, is it?
No.